Hello, ladies and guys. Here is a DIY. First, get your bottle caps. Then you want to get your necklace, bracelet, whatever. Then you're going to line it up and put it how you would put it on your necklace or bracelet. Then you're going to take and put holes. I inserted a hole puncher that you're supposed to use. Then I took and cured mine with some top coat, gel top coat. And then I took them and I lined them back up again. And these are the little closures you're going to use. And I use nippers to open mines. And then you're going to take and put everything on their hooks. Some things I had to double hook, but it worked out for me. This is me chewing my tongue and getting it done, though. This is when I put I used the smaller hooks to get them on there so they wouldn't move around once they were beaded. And that's how that looks. This is me putting the cap on the hook.
She's obsessed with the best. I'm the best. Way too blessed.
And this is how that looks. So cute. And this is me modeling them, showing you how cute this is against this black top. It's so stylish and effortless. And I'm going to make a bracelet too. This is me posing. Sis is cute. Yes, honey. I'm going to insert the person that came up with this idea. I always give my props where props are due. Thank me later. Bye.